Today we're making one, and we're gonna be playing with some fidget spinners. I have an LED. There's a little crack. I'm gonna turn it off because I can see a little crack. Right there. And yeah, I got it about like 2 days ago. And yeah, it's my fidget spinner. I was gonna give it to my brother, but yeah, here it is. To light up, it's so cool. I could throw it up and catch it a little. Just throw it up a little bit, see? Well, at least I got it the first time. It's so dope. Oh no, what happened with this one? Kind of designing that. It spins faster. I rather had one too. I had another one. We had 3. I had 4 in all. I had 4 fidget spinners. I didn't want them. I am. I'm just outside playing with my fidget and
Oh, you're doing tricks?
why does it look so weird? Mine spins way faster. Look at it.